Sharing a meal as a family is fun, plus it also encourages kids to have healthy relationships with food. We know it can be challenging to bring everyone to the table and stay engaged once you get there, so we've got 4 tips for more mindful meal times. Number 1, schedule it. It doesn't have to be dinner. Pick any time that everyone can be together for a family meal. If one adult works nights, breakfast might be your family meal. The key is to keep it consistent so it becomes part of the daily schedule. Number 2, connect it. Encourage experimenting with foods. It can connect the eating experience with things your kids love. Use foods to make faces, pictures, or designs on your plates. Have fun with it. Maybe they love red or orange. Talk about what fruits and veggies are found in those hues and see if they can eat their favorite colors. Number 3, make it. Involve your child in the process of meal making at any age. Ask your toddler to wash some veggies and prep them for dinner, and see if your school ager wants to cut up the ingredients. When children are a part of the process, it can demystify foods and get them excited about eating and trying new things. Number 4, honor it. Take the pressure off your kids and yourself to join the Clean Plate Club. They're good at listening to their bodies, so if they say they are full, honor it. As you work through these tips, just know that it will not always be perfect. Make mealtime more about being together and try not to stress, and enjoy eating one meal at a time.